Good day, everyone. I'm Professor Danny Ng. I'm the Associate Head of School for Engineering and Physical Sciences in Heriot University, Malaysia. We do have three programs in the EPS, which are Chemical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, and Electrical and Electronic Engineering. All the courses that we have in Heriot Universities are accredited by our Engineering Council, Malaysia. Therefore, once you graduate from Malaysia campus, you are allowed to register as a graduate engineer in the Board of Engineering Malaysia. Later, after you do a certain years of courses or working experience, then you'll be eligible to be a professional engineer, just like myself. So besides, I'm also a chartered engineer. How do you get engineers and chartered engineering? So what is the differences between a professional engineer and chartered engineers? So chartered engineer is accreditations by the Engineering Council in UK. And this is what you can be a chartered engineer as well, because Heriot University do also receive accreditations by the IChemE for chemical engineering, IMechE for mechanical engineering. Therefore, you will be eligible to be a chartered engineer once you graduated with the working experience in time. Besides, I would like to happy to share with you that Heriot University Malaysia, as well as in global, we actually operate in 3 campuses. We have Edinburgh campus, Malaysia, and Dubai. All 3 campuses are working together to deliver the same course. All our research projects, or majority of our research projects, are industry related. At the end of the projects, we organize a student conference is known as WattMac, Malaysia Exhibitions and Conference. This is an opportunity or platform that allows students to present your work to your industrial partners, to all the industrial visitors, as well as our researchers or visitors or lecturers from other campuses. I would like to take this opportunity to thank again interest on our Heriot University. I hope to see you all in my campus very soon. Thank you very much. Bye.
Why does the world need engineering?
It's down to the engineer to look at every millimetre.
Literally going down to the atomic scale and building up.
From research and development to design and manufacture.
To constantly question,
how can we sustain the growing population of the world?
How can engineers provide assistance to the people that need it?
We need to be able to bring people together with a range of different skills.
We need to think outside the box.
We strive for the best, although we may not always achieve it.
You're looking at all these parts and you have no idea if it's going to come together.
We try, we try, we try.
Bring that together into one vision.
And you get the car and it fires. It makes it all worth it.
Engineering isn't just maths and sitting in front of a computer.
We can do things that have never been done before, and we're able to solve these gigantic issues.
Whether in energy production,
combustion chemistry,
3D print bones to cure worldwide diseases such as osteoporosis,
nanotechnology,
renewable energy sources,
or strengths of materials.
I want to be part of the engineering future.
To make everyone else's life better.
It's a great adventure to be part of.
That's engineering. That's our job.
Hello everybody, my name is Satish. I'm the Associate Head for the Energy, Geoscience, Infrastructure and Society School at Heriot-Watt University's Malaysia campus. And we are essentially a built environment school, which means we offer degrees in construction project management, quantity surveying, civil engineering, as well as petroleum engineering. Now, most of our students actually join us for 2 main reasons. And the first reason is we are currently ranked as number 1 for building related courses or programs by the Complete University Guide in the UK. And the second reason is because Heriot-Watt University, Malaysia, we have a variety of initiatives around the areas of positive education, where we train our students to be resilient and emotionally intelligent so that they can enter the working environment with confidence. I hope to see you soon. Bye.
The world's facing a lot of challenges.
There is so much that needs to be improved within our infrastructure globally.
We need to be prepared to meet any challenges that come towards us in the future. We have to look for solutions in a global perspective.
To critically think.
How will our cities be planned?
How are you going to build a bridge that will outlive you?
What role will I play in making a better future for my children?
You have to connect with people and translate what they want to have into something real.
At the start, when it's just a design, it can be scary.
Part of the design process is to fail. You have to go back to the drawing board again and again.
You are collaborating with so many other disciplines, architects, engineers, tradesmen.
To solve problems.
Heriot-Watt has opened my eyes to what's possible.
We have to use the limited resources we have to accommodate the growing population.
Use wave technology.
Affordable housing.
Move on from petrol-based infrastructure to electric.
We must work together.
Create a sustainable and energy-efficient future.
Hello there, welcome to Labina's session. My name is Sharo and I am the Chief Lab Technician in Heriot-Watt University Malaysia campus. By the end of this video, we hope you could understand the laboratory system and practices at Heriot-Watt University Malaysia campus. Let's start.
Before we proceed with the introduction,
remember, lab safety is our priority. Please check your STS before handling any kind of chemical.
remember to also follow the 6S guideline for safety. Now, let's continue.
Good day everyone. My name is Harry and I will guide you through the wet lab introduction. The wet lab is located at West Wing ground floor. As you enter the West Wing entrance, turn left and walk straight until you find the wet lab signboard. This is Thermogravimetric Analysis or TGA. TGA analysis is the method of thermal analysis in which the mass of a sample is measured over time as the temperature changes.
This is UV spectrophotometer or UVVs. UVVs is routinely used in analytical chemistry for the quantitative determination of different analytes such as transition metal ions and highly conjugated organic compounds.
Apart from the two equipment, the wet lab is also equipped with centrifuge, oven, and incubator shaker to support research and teaching. Next, let's look at the electrical lab.
Good day everyone, my name is Shukri and I will guide you through the electrical lab introduction.
The electrical lab is located in West Wing ground floor.
Among the equipment available are Festo electrical machine system. This is where we learn of the characteristics of the three-phase rotating machine. The Festo transmission training system. Here, we emphasize on power transformers and AC transmission line. For lab experiment, we have our standard equipment such as the digital oscilloscope, power supply, function generators, and other measuring equipment.
Next, we will introduce the civil lab.
Good day everyone. My name is Revati and I will guide you through the civil lab introduction. The civil lab is mainly used by the civil engineering students of HWUM. These are some of the equipments available in civil lab, which is located in civil lab ground floor West Wing. This apparatus is called three-hinged arch. It is used in structural lab to determine the relationship between applied loads and the horizontal truss. This is direct shear test. It is used to measure the shear strength properties of soil or rock materials. This is compression test machine. It is to give us the information of the potential strength of the concrete mix from which it is sampled. There is also a geotechnical lab located at lower ground floor East Wing. It is mainly to conduct geotechnical and highway experiments. Next, we will continue to introduce the mechanical lab.
Good day everyone. My name is Ilyas and I will guide you through the mechanical lab introduction. The mechanical lab is located at East Wing ground floor. As you enter the East Wing entrance, turn right and walk straight until you find the mechanical lab signboard. Among the equipment available are: first, milling machines, 2, lathe machine, and 3, CNC milling machine. This is conventional 3-axis milling machine, which consists X, Y, and Z axis. A milling machine will shave off small section of the metal until the final product is produced. A 4-stroke cycle engine is an internal combustion engine that utilizes 4 distinct piston strokes to complete one operating cycle. We also have 3 3D printers of various sizes in the mechanical lab. Basically, the function 3D printing uses computer-aided design to create 3-dimensional objects through a layering method. 3D printing involving layering material like plastic, composite, or biomaterial to create objects that range in shape, size, rigidity, and color. Finally, the next lab introduction will be on the psychology lab.
Good day everyone. My name is Aisha and I will guide you through the psychology lab introduction. The psychology labs are located at West Wing, 2nd floor, inside the Psychology and Resource Center, opposite the library and the 365 room. In the psychology lab, we have 2 rooms named Back Lab and Loftus Lab. Each lab is equipped with PC with installed psychology research software such as PsychoPy. We also have other equipment for research and learning such as the mobile EEG. The mobile EEG is a specialized equipment that can detect tiny electrical charges that results from brain cells activity. It is used to detect abnormalities in the brain waves or in the electrical activity of the brain. The Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale 4th edition, also known as WAIS-4, is an IQ test designed to measure intelligence and cognitive ability in adults and older adolescents. The psychology lab has a range of psychological tests and manuals, such as the Occupational Stress Inventory Revised, the Virtual Perception Assessment Program, a Giant Functional Center Brain Model, and many others. We are excited to welcome you to Heriot-Watt University, Malaysia. Remember to use the labs responsibly and follow the lab guidelines. See you all soon!
I chose to go to Dubai. You know, it was just a bit of a dream and a bit surreal to be able to go there for 3 months and study.
I've always wanted to pursue my studies in the Europe country, especially in the UK. I was pretty scared before I came. I expected it to be really cold and really depressing. It was the total opposite of it, and I really enjoyed my time here.
There are no other universities offering this, and I took it and never looked back. It's been awesome. Anyone thinking about doing Go Global, I would say go for it. You're probably never going to have the chance to get to study in Edinburgh, Dubai or Malaysia. Anyone considering going to Heriot-Watt should definitely, if they can, go to all 3 campuses, because that would make you a really well-rounded student.
I come from Cardiff in the UK.
I'm from Malaysia.
I'm from Maldives. I'm a Penanganer.
Basically, I chose Heriot-Watt is because I could get quality education in Malaysia.
I chose Heriot-Watt because it was like love at first sight.
And I wanted to go to a good university.
Mainly because of the scholarship they offered me when I first came, and fortunately I got it.
The course, especially chemical engineering course in Heriot-Watt University, is pretty famous and established.
I wanted a university with a high academic ranking for petroleum engineering.
Heriot-Watt has prepared us immensely, not only in our educational skills, but also in our personal skills and personal development.
If I were to go and work for a company right now, I feel like I'm quite well prepared for it.
Improve in my presentation skills.
They have the experience to help inspire us, and they can pass their knowledge on to us.
It's not just about theory, it's about how you apply the theory into practical life.
I think this is a very good basis before we go out into the real world.
I would describe Heriot-Watt as global,
welcoming,
exquisite,
multicultural,
quality,
and also challenging. They have a very nice lake view.
I've learned throughout these 3 years how to critically analyze situations, problem-solving skills, and stuff like that, which I don't think you will obtain it anywhere else in Malaysia, to be very honest.
And also we have fantastic staff and lecturer who will always support you and make you be a much more better person.
If you are thinking of making a choice of entering Heriot-Watt, you should do it.
I would highly recommend it, not only because of the high quality of British education, but you also have a chance to meet so many new people from different countries and make so many new friends.
I hope you decide to come here because it'll give you 3 to 4 years of something pretty amazing.